You may already know, or it might surprise you to learn, that the kangaroo population in Australia is 3 times larger than the human population. Their meat is not only highly nutritious, but also boasts a flavor that words can hardly capture. As an invasive species, harvesting kangaroos helps mitigate the damage they cause, while also boosting the food industry. But how is this achieved? Join me now as we embark on a journey to explore this iconic symbol of Australia. Australia is famous for its diverse flora and fauna. However, the significant increase in the kangaroo population has led to ecological imbalances and negatively impacted farmers. Kangaroos are constantly interacting with one another, whether in the wild or on the road. This poses significant dangers to residents and passers-by. Harvesting and farming kangaroos for meat has become a sustainable way to utilize animal resources. The growth and reproduction process of kangaroos is a marvelous natural phenomenon that never fails to amaze and captivate many people. Tiny joeys, after being born, embark on an incredible journey of development within their mother's warm pouch. There, they are carefully nurtured and protected, growing day by day for 8 to 9 months before they are ready to explore the outside world. Kangaroos are herbivores with a remarkably diverse and rich diet. Their meals typically consist of grass, leaves, flowers, and occasionally fruits, providing them with a naturally balanced source of nutrition for their survival and growth. The life of a kangaroo largely revolves around daytime activities, taking advantage of natural daylight. They have a particular fondness for relaxing and resting in shaded areas, where they can find comfort and escape the intense heat. As a result, kangaroos are typically hunted at night when they are less alert to their surroundings. To ensure humane practices, the Australian government has implemented strict regulations on hunting methods to minimize animal suffering. Hunters are required to ensure that kangaroos are killed instantly, avoiding prolonged pain. Furthermore, they must hold valid licenses, and local authorities conduct regular inspections to ensure that these activities comply with ethical and humane standards. After the hunt, hunters typically remove the kangaroo's tail as evidence to verify the number of animals taken. This requirement, set by the Australian government, is designed to closely monitor and regulate kangaroo hunting activities. It ensures that the number of kangaroos hunted does not exceed permissible limits, thereby safeguarding the stability and balance of their population in the wild. Kangaroos are collected and transported to staging points near hunting areas, serving as transit hubs. There, the numbers are verified, preliminarily sorted, and transported to processing facilities in specially designed temperature-controlled containers. At processing facilities, kangaroo meat undergoes a rigorous quality inspection, including assessments of appearance, color, and freshness. Only the highest quality cuts that meet strict standards are selected to proceed to the next stage of processing. After the skin is removed and the internal organs are extracted, workers sort the primary cuts of meat, including lean cuts, fillets, and other usable portions. The cutting process is handled by skilled workers, ensuring consistency and high quality in every piece of meat. Kangaroo meat is carefully packaged and stored under optimal conditions to preserve its freshness and ensure long-lasting quality. Packaging typically includes vacuum-sealed bags or sturdy containers designed to be airtight and prevent contamination. Finally, tons of kangaroo meat are transported from processing facilities to major distributors or retail locations worldwide. Kangaroo meat is renowned for its exceptional nutritional value. Compared to other red meats, it is lower in calories and saturated fat, making it a healthier choice. This versatile meat can be crafted into a variety of delicious and unique dishes, ranging from simple options like tender kangaroo fillets, paired with rich mushroom sauce, to grilled kangaroo steaks, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, offering an unforgettable culinary experience. And finally, let's witness the surprising performance of nature's very own muscular warriors, where tranquility sometimes comes with a touch of unexpected hilarity. Leaving behind the land of kangaroos, we step into a different world, where dense bamboo forests hide a unique secret. Deep within burrows 2 to 3 meters underground, bamboo rats spend their days feasting on tender bamboo shoots. But what makes them such a sought-after delicacy in China? How does the country breed thousands of these creatures annually, producing up to 2.5 million? Let's uncover the mystery and allure of this remarkable animal. To capture and breed bamboo rats, people must venture deep into dense bamboo forests. Known for their intelligence, these rats can detect and skillfully avoid even the most carefully set traps. As a result, traditional hunting methods, such as digging pits along their usual paths, are often employed. Despite burrows that can extend up to 2 meters underground, these elusive creatures are no match for the ingenuity and persistence of skilled hunters. After carefully digging into their burrows, farmers successfully capture plump, healthy bamboo rats, ensuring they are unharmed during the process. With patience and skill, they extract these creatures from their deep underground hideouts. The selected rats are then promptly placed into secure enclosures, marking the beginning of their breeding process. This achievement is a well-earned reward for the farmers' relentless efforts to harvest from nature. Each bamboo rat family is housed in its own enclosure, designed to provide ample space for comfortable movement. The enclosures are built securely to prevent any escape, ensuring the rats remain safe and contained. This setup allows farmers to check on and care for them with confidence, creating an ideal environment for their growth and well-being. Bamboo rats have a short and frequent reproductive cycle, allowing them to produce multiple litters each year. In each litter, a female can give birth to 2 to 6 offspring. Remarkably, these young rats reach maturity and are ready for release within just 3 to 6 months, showcasing their impressive growth and reproduction efficiency. Between 8 and 16 weeks of age, bamboo rats begin developing stronger teeth. This marks the perfect time to introduce sugarcane into their diet. With its natural sugars and moderate hardness, sugarcane not only provides nourishment, but also encourages chewing, which helps the rats grind their teeth and promotes healthy dental growth. As bamboo rats reach maturity, starting from 16 weeks onward, they require a fiber-rich diet to maintain optimal health. Bamboo shoots are their favorite food, and the sturdy bamboo stalks serve an additional purpose, helping to grind their teeth, keeping them sharp and preventing overgrowth. Moreover, the minerals found in bamboo contribute to strong bone and muscle development, making it especially beneficial for adult rats. Adult bamboo rats can grow to lengths of 25 to 50 centimeters and weigh between 1 and 4 kilograms, making them significantly larger than common rats. One of their most distinctive features is their teeth. With a large head, powerful jaws, and sharp teeth, bamboo rats rely on regular grinding to prevent overgrowth, which would otherwise hinder their ability to eat. Their thick grayish-brown fur further sets them apart, along with their weight, which is nearly double that of regular rats. Only healthy, disease-free rats are selected for harvest, ensuring quality and safety. Highly prized as a delicacy, bamboo rats command premium prices, despite not being readily available on the market. Adapted to cooler climates, they are often raised on isolated farms deep in the mountains, adding another layer of challenge for consumers seeking this sought-after specialty. With their large size, natural diet, and unique lifestyle, bamboo rats offer meat that is rich in flavor with an unparalleled natural sweetness. Their meat is firm and bright red, resembling rabbit or chicken, yet it boasts a distinctive taste and low-fat content, making it a sought-after choice for many food enthusiasts. Bamboo rats can be prepared in various ways, but grilling remains the most popular method. The meat is typically marinated with a flavorful blend of garlic, chili, lemongrass, and fish sauce, enhancing its natural aroma. Once the coals are glowing, the marinated meat is placed over the fire and slowly grilled until the skin turns crispy, while the inside remains tender, juicy, and bursting with mouth-watering flavor. Paired with a special dipping sauce, grilled bamboo rat delivers a bold and unforgettable taste that's hard to resist. And so, our journey into the world of this fascinating creature comes to an end. From its wild lifestyle and remarkable reproductive abilities to its exceptional nutritional value and culinary delicacies, the bamboo rat truly offers a wealth of surprises and significant benefits. What are your thoughts on this incredible animal? Feel free to share them with us. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.